Did you know that there is a glacier lake just 2 to 3 days from Pokhara? Well, here is what you need to know. Kapuche Lake is the lowest glacier lake in Nepal. Located at the foot of mighty Annapurna and Lamchung Himal range in the Annapurna Conservation Area, Kapuche is located at an altitude of only 2,450 meters above sea level. It can be reached within just 1 day from Sikles. You can catch a local bus or jeep which departs from Kahukola and drive to the village of Sikles, where the trekking trail begins. You can choose either hotel or homestay for your stay. Sikles is a traditional Gurung village located in the green hills of the southeastern part of Annapurna Conservation Area. Although it has road access, there is only a small amount of tourism and the traditional Gurung culture can still be experienced. Sikles offers great views into the valley as well as magnificent mountain sights. Vultures and other birds of prey frequently fly above the village, using the thermal lift produced by the sunlight hitting the hills. Many locals still perform agriculture on their ancestors' land, but the scale of agricultural practice has significantly reduced during the past years. After leaving Sikles, following the market trail, you will soon find yourself walking through even more beautiful landscapes, playing hide and seek with the majestic Lamchung Himal and Annapurna range. Trekking that part of the trail is quite enjoyable as you walk through lush evergreen forests, cross several streams and suspension bridges, and get to see amazing waterfalls while constantly going up and down. After 4 to 5 hours, you will reach Hugo, a small cluster of neat and cozy guest houses where you can experience traditional Nepali cuisine and enjoy the evening at the fireplace with amazing views of Lamchung Himal. It is a good idea to stay in Hugo for the night. For the highest chances of getting clear views at Kapuche Lake, it is best leaving Hugo early in the morning. It takes around 2 to 3 hours to hike to the lake from Hugo. Once again, the trail winds mostly uphill, crossing landslide areas and dense rhododendron forests. If you move quietly, you might get lucky and get a chance to encounter wildlife. Besides many species of colorful birds like the Darjeeling woodpecker, green-tailed sunbird, or hoary-throated bowring, a variety of mammals can be found in that area. You might see movement above you and hear loud noises coming from the canopy. If you stop for a few minutes to observe, you will see grayish fluffy monkeys climbing and jumping on branches, on the lookout for tasty leaves, bark and berries they like to munch on. These monkeys are called grey langurs and are quite entertaining to watch. Other mammals inhabiting this area are, for example, yellow-throated martens, barking deer, porcupines, common leopards, clouded leopards, leopard cats, and the mighty Himalayan black bear. For the safety of the travelers, it is advised to travel in a group and definitely not during dusk or dawn. To keep the environment clean and the wildlife healthy, please don't leave rubbish and cigarette butts on the trail. Also, please don't make loud noises while walking through the forest. After a final push, you finally exit the jungle and reach the beautiful Kapuche Glacier Lake. It is one of the best natural selfie spots too. Take some time enjoying the view, taking photos and relaxing in the sunlight. If you get lucky, you can even witness some avalanches coming down from Annapurna and Lamchung Himal. You can then have lunch at one of the guest houses near the lake, rest and stay a night there, or return right back to Hugo. If you have more time, you can stay another night in Hugo and go back to Sikles the next day. From Sikles, you can even extend your adventure by hiking to the other side of the Madi Kola to visit the village of Tangting and its surroundings. When leaving Sikles, don't be sad. We bet you'll come back soon. To Sikles, your new favorite destination.